Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove access to your Amazon account from a device. This is particularly useful if you've sold a device, given it to someone else, or simply want to ensure your Amazon account isn't accessible on devices you no longer use. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged in with the account from which you want to remove device access. After you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this section and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage all aspects of your Amazon account. Now you'll need to scroll down the page until you locate the section titled Digital Content and Devices. This section houses all the settings related to your digital purchases, subscriptions, and connected devices. Within this section, look just below and you'll find an option labeled Devices. Click on it to proceed. This is where Amazon keeps track of all the devices that are registered to your account, whether they're Kindles, Fire tablets, Echo devices, or any other Amazon registered hardware. Once you're on the Devices page, you'll see a list of all the devices currently linked to your Amazon account. Take a moment to browse through and locate the specific device you want to remove. Click on that device to open its details and settings. After clicking on the device, you'll be taken to a page that displays information about it, including when it was registered and what content is available on it. Here, look for the option that says Deregister. Clicking this button will remove the device's access to your Amazon account, which means it will no longer be able to access your digital content, make purchases, or use any Amazon services tied to your account. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed access to your Amazon account from that device, ensuring your account remains secure and only accessible from devices you actively use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.